Hi everyone, Sarah at Cornish Papercraft. I just wanted to bring to you a very quick project using the Sailing Home stamps, only the stamps, and how to make 3 cards really quickly. So this is one of them, and I've used Seaside Spray Night and Navy on all of them. They literally take seconds to do. So I have gone ahead and pre-cut all of my card. So my base card is 4 inches by 11.5, scored at 5 3/4. Night and Navy, I've taken 1/4 of an inch off, so it's 3 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then for my white base layer, I've just taken 1/8 of an inch off the navy dimensions. Okay, so let's do the first one, which is the anchor one. So these are just so simple. I'm really trying to get a use out of all of my stamps at the moment, just so you get your money's worth out of them, really. And these are just so simple, really are simple. So let hope be the anchor for your life. So using Night of Navy for the next bit, and I've literally just popped it to the side. There we go. Actually, I could probably leave the navy open. So let's pop that one just up there. So that's one done. Obviously we'll stick these all together in a second. So the second one would be using the 2 boats in the stamp set, which are just these 2. Just grab 2 blocks. So just know it's got a cat there. So there's one. And there's 2. So again, I just use my grid paper to line mine up. So Seaside Spray. Come in, stamp just there. Oops, that one hasn't turned out very well for some reason. Let's just turn that one over. Right, let's try that one again. Okay, that's better. Same with the little boat. And we're going to stamp that one off just to the side, but to the top of it. Okay, so there's that one. And then using your Night of Navy, use this Set Sail in the Direction of Your Dreams stamp set and go over the little boat. There we go, so that's that one. Seeing how easy these are? They're just so simple but so effective. And the last one is the lighthouse. Grab another block. Use your grid paper to line it up. Okay, so make sure that's covered. So I'm getting Seaside Spray. There we go. Let's just put that one just over there. And the Set Sail in the Direction of Your Dream stamp again, in Night of Navy again. There we go. And the one that I didn't include a moment ago was the seagulls. So grab a tiny little block, pop your seagulls, Seaside Spray, just off to the side. So that is all of the stamping done. So let's just fold those over, just so I don't get in a mess. Put all the ink stamps out of the way. So now it is just literally a case of assembling them. Quick and easy. I like to work in order where I've stamped first, purely just so I know they're nice and dry. And again, I'm using tape runner glue from my local pound store. Just double check you've got the same amount of border either side. Pop it down. And the same with the base card. There we go, so that's one done. Let's do the boat next, because I think that was next to dry. Like I say, I make sure I reuse all of my card. Nothing gets wasted. I'm a great believer in just using everything up. Hang on, let's just make sure you've got border right around the edge. Always double check which way your card is going, because I have stuck cards upside down. And then the last one to stick together, and my glue's decided to have a bit of an issue, so let's switch to wet glue. Just again line it up, and then finally the last one, to make sure your card is facing the right way, and put that one down. There we go. Done. 3 cards, 3 different ways, in under 8 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the fast and quick project, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.